Hi everybody, welcome to today's Facebook Live. My name's Alicia De Jong. Today I want to talk about, I'm coming from my veranda with my coffee, and I want to talk to you about, are you confused about how branding you online works with getting more recruits and sales into your network marketing business? Okay, I was completely confused with this, and I'll see if I can get you a little bit lower here, but I was completely confused with this also, and it really pickled my head a bit and made me take my time really when it comes to building my business online. Now, look, I'm all for attraction marketing, and I'm also all for branding yourself online. I do think that's a very important step in the process, so do not get me wrong here. And the reason why I do think it is important also to brand yourself online, this is kind of my disclaimer, is because if your network marketing company shut its doors tomorrow, you would still have a business, okay? Because this has happened to me twice now. And the other reason why I think it's important to brand yourself online is it really does build up that know, like, and trust and makes you an authority in the marketplace. But here's my thing. How does people following you, and you're not talking about your business or your products, how are people attracted to you? And what about if I could show you a way that's going to be much easier for you to be able to easily talk about the solutions that your products do, the solutions your products offer, the products themselves, get people who are actually coming to you, cold market traffic, people who are actually coming to you, asking you for more information, without you really having to do a lot, okay? Now, I do this in my business. I've been doing this for 12 months now. I've actually done it twice. One was for a Make Money Online affiliate marketing business where it was all about starting a business online. And the company I was actually with actually fell over, okay? So I don't really push that angle too much anymore in that particular page and website, just simply because I'm not in there anymore, so that's okay. But I come back to my own brand, and this is why it's important, okay? But what about if you are into health and wellness and you're with a company, absolutely love their products, but really you absolutely love their products and you think they're everything, and that's great, okay? But the thing is, one thing that we always get taught online is do not go out and push your products, okay? You need to talk content and value around the solutions your products provide, okay? Really key point. So what about if you were to curate a Facebook business page, not talking websites, not talking technical, difficult stuff, a Facebook business page centered around the idea of, if you're into health and wellness, the idea of what your number one signature product does. For example, if you're into health and wellness and you're a real sporty person and you love the sport products, you love the extra protein supplements, you love the pre-workouts, the recovery, and that's your jam, going into the sport line. What about if you were to create a Facebook business page around sport information, okay? Think about that. Now, this is a really, really powerful concept. I have been doing it for my own health and wellness, providing people with information about weight loss, dieting, habits, all sorts of things. Because the thing is, when you know who it is you want to attract to your business page, centered around the solutions your product offer, then your source of content is really, really endless, okay? Now, that is how you can easily brand yourself still online, but under a different banner, okay? So I'm going to give you an example, and I'm going to talk about my own example here, and I will actually mention someone else's. I just got to try and remember the name of the page exactly. But actually, I will talk about her. Okay, so Sadie, a friend of mine, she is right into Christianity, into providing people with inspiration, but under kind of like, no, actually I won't talk about Sadie. I'll get my facts correctly right there before I go into that one. I'll just talk about my own page for now. So I have a page that I know who it is I want to attract, okay? So I want to attract women who are around the age of 35. I'm really specific who I want to attract. And I know what their pains and problems are, okay? I know them. And I know them for a few reasons, because I listen to what they're saying on my page. I'm listening to what goes on around me. So this is where your target client or your avatar is someone who's very similar to you, okay? And this is where it's easy. Why did you join that company, okay? Why do you think that this would be perfect for everybody who's similar to you? Think about that. That's a really bold statement. Why would somebody want to join and buy those products from you? Because you love them and you know you have friends who would also love them, okay? So why don't you go and start creating? I know I've just kind of veered off my page here for a second, but why would you not go out and create a page centered around why you joined that company? Like, what was that number one? What is their target audience that you want to attract, okay? What is that? And give your page a name, something similar. So for me, mine's called Motivational Fitness Woman, because I want to motivate people. I want to show people exercise tips. I want to inspire them, and I want them to grow, and I want them to, you know, lose that belly fat, lose the baby fat, get more energy, sleep better, just become a better person, especially as a woman in their 40s who it's easy to lose yourself, okay? So these are the type of people that I want to bring into my business. So back to you, and you've got a supplement that's helped your knee pain. Why can't, and you know then that, okay, you're 55 and you know that there's other women out there suffering with the same thing. So what's the content that your company provides around that particular element, okay? And then you need to have a headline that's going to speak directly to those people to attract them in, okay? This is really, really powerful, and I hope I've explained this correctly, but when you begin to do this, this is how you're going to get people reaching out to you, asking you for more information, okay? Because they're going to see you as the go-to person, your page as the go-to page, okay? And then under there, you can not sell all the time, but you can offer lots of value, and then you can put in a great curiosity post. Hi, thanks for joining. Then you can put let me know where you're calling in from too. Let me know, and then you can create a great curiosity post that's going to speak directly to them and hit them on that pain point, because they're on your page. They're interested in that subject straight away. This is super powerful, guys. Really, really powerful. They on that page for a specific reason, and you know that specific reason because it's in your title, okay? It's in your page. So therefore, they coming there expecting to get certain information. And if you can have those first few posts that is hitting straight at them, they're going to reach out and ask you for more information, okay? I'm going to leave it at that today. So there's two ways that we can brand ourselves online. One is we can go out and do the hard route, or it's the longer term route, which is brand yourself, which is excellent. I've been doing it for 5 years and I think it's fantastic. But what about if you can turn around and start branding yourself as the go-to person for someone who's solving someone's problem? Okay, that's pretty much what it is. So I'm going to put a link in the comments here. It's a course I've got. It's called 10 Steps to Master Success Online. It is going to teach you exactly what I'm talking about. It's very, very powerful. You won't see this strategy anywhere else. I don't know anyone else that's doing this. And I believe that it's really the way that we need to go. It's going to take a lot of stress off people because people are struggling to brand themselves. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what it is I should be saying online. And that's kind of a bit stressful when you don't really know what to say, you don't know what to talk about, and then you don't know how your network marketing opportunity and your products is fitting in with where you're at. There's that gap, right? And this is going to fill that gap. It's really, it's actually quite a relief when you do this, because you actually easily start creating a lot of content so easily and getting people to reach out to you wanting more information from you, which is going to give you more recruits, more sales, and build your business really fast. Okay, so I will put the course link below. If there's anything that you don't quite understand about today's Facebook Live, please put it in the comments below. If you love it, give me a hashtag replay and a 1, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.